Sarus Cranes are famous for their elaborate courtship dances. These dances involve synchronized movements, such as jumping and flapping their wings, which are part of their bonding and mating rituals. They form lifelong monogamous pairs. They often perform their dance routines together and maintain strong bonds throughout their lives. Their calls are distinct and can carry over long distances. They use a range of vocalizations for communication, including trumpeting calls that are often heard during their display flights. Sarus Cranes typically build their nests in wetland areas, creating them out of reeds and other vegetation. Both parents are involved in incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. In some regions, Sarus Cranes migrate seasonally. Their migration patterns can vary based on environmental conditions and food availability. They are omnivorous and feed on a variety of foods, including aquatic plants, insects, and small vertebrates. They use their long, slender bills to probe the mud and shallow water to find food. While some Sarus crane populations are resident and do not migrate, others exhibit migratory behavior based on environmental changes and food availability. This can involve long-distance movements to find suitable habitats. During the breeding season, Sarus cranes engage in spectacular aerial displays. They often fly in unison with their mate, performing synchronized flight patterns that include soaring and dramatic changes in altitude. Depending on the availability of food, Sarus cranes may alter their feeding behavior. They are known to use different techniques to access food, such as digging or probing, depending on the type of substrate they are foraging in. Sarus cranes undergo subtle changes in plumage coloration with the seasons. These changes can help with camouflage and play a role in their mating displays. After the chicks hatch, both parents take part in teaching them how to find food and navigate their environment. They often lead their young to various feeding areas and demonstrate foraging techniques. They use their long legs and large body surface to regulate their body temperature. During hot weather, Sarus cranes may stand in shallow water to cool off or use their wings to shade themselves. Sarus cranes engage in preening, where they groom each other's feathers. This behavior strengthens social bonds between mates and group members.